Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. So, this is revision paper 2. Already in the last week I sent revision paper 1. Now, children, I think you have practiced in the rough note. So, if you have not practiced in the rough note, please practice once again in the rough note. See the video and PDF and practice in the rough note. Now, I am taking English revision paper number 2. Okay, children. So this is revision paper number 2. Subject is English. So first main, write the meanings. First one, beautiful, attractive. ATTRACTIVE, attractive. Second one, hugged. Hugged means embraced. EMBRACED, embraced. Third one, offended. Offended means annoyed. ANNOYED, annoyed. Fourth one, meadow. Meadow means grassland. GRASSLAND, grassland. Okay, children. So these are the meanings. Once again, I am going to repeat. First one, beautiful means attractive. Second one, hugged, embraced. Third one, offended, annoyed. Fourth one, meadow, grassland. Now, second main, write the rhyming words. First one, wind, mind, mind. MIND, mind. Second one, pick, tick, TICK, tick. Third one, eat, feet, FEET, feet. Fourth one, ride, side, SIDE, side. Fifth one, lost, fast, FAST, fast. So, these are the rhyming words. Once again, I am going to read. Wind, mind, MIND, mind. Pick, tick, TICK, tick. Eat, feet, FEET, feet. Ride, side, SIDE, side. Lost, fast, FAST, fast. Now third main, write the opposites. First one, low, high, HIGH, high. Second one, difficult, easy, EASY, easy. Third one, clever, dull, DULL, dull. Fourth one, everyone, no one, NOONE, no one. Fifth one, sweet, bitter, BITTER, bitter. Okay, children, so these are the opposites. Once again, I am going to read. Low, high, difficult, easy, clever, dull, everyone, no one. Sweet, bitter. Next main, fourth main, write the plurals. So single is only one, plurals means more than one. First one, potato. Potato is single. For plural, you must write potatoes. 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 Second one, shoe. Shoes. 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 Third one, bus. Buses. BUSCS. Buses. Fourth one, mouse. Mice. 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 Fifth one, night. Nights. 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 So these are the plurals. Once again, I am going to read. Potato, potatoes. Shoe, shoes. Bus, buses. Mouse, mice. Night, nights. Now next main, write the poem Zoo Manners. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. So now I am going to read the spellings. This is a poem about zoo manners. So in your textbook also it is there. So if you can't understand, you can see the textbook and also read there. BEBCAREFUL, careful. WHAT, what, YOUU, SAY, ORR, DO, WHEN, when, YOUU, VISIT, visit, TH, the, ANIMALS, animals, AT, at, TH, the, ZOO, zoo, DON apostrophe T, don't, MAKE, make, FUN, fun, OF of, TH, the, CAMELS, camels, HUMP, hump, HE apostrophe S is VERY, very, PROUD, proud, OF of HIS is NOBLE, noble, BUMP, bump. Okay, children. So this is the poem about zoo manners. Once again, I am going to read the poem. Be careful what you say or do. When you visit the animals at the zoo, don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Okay, children. Now next main, rearrange the letters to make meaningful words. Okay, BO. So here the letter is not written properly. So it is mixed. So I must find out that one and write correctly. First one, OK, BO. So the correct letter is BO, OK. And the correct word is book. Second one, SEOTATAP. The correct letter is POTATOES, potatoes. Third one, AKEL. So correct answer is, correct spelling is LAKE, lake. Fourth one, NUF. So the correct spelling is FUN, fun. Fifth one, ARFERM. So the correct spelling is FARMER, farmer. Okay, children. So once again, I am going to read. First one, BOOK, book. Second one, POTATOES, potatoes. Third one, LAKE, lake. Fourth one, FUN, fun. Fifth, FARMER, farmer. Now next main, seventh main, write she words, forgiven, he words. First one, father, mother, MOTHER, mother. Second one, actor, actress, ACTRESS, actress. Third one, tiger, tigress, TIGERESS, tigress. Fourth one, bull, cow, COW, cow. Fifth one, dog, bitch, BITCH, bitch. So these are the she words, forgiven, he words. Once again, I am going to repeat. First one, father, mother. Second one, actor, actress. Third one, tiger, tigress. Fourth one, bull, cow. Fifth one, dog, bitch. Okay, children, so these are the she words. Now, eighth main, fill in the blanks. TH, the, FOOLISH, foolish. FARMER, farmer. And HIS is, SON, son. HAD, had. A dash. So in the dash, what you must write? You must write donkey. DONKEY, donkey. The foolish farmer and his son had a donkey. Next, second one. The three brothers always dash with each other. So in the dash, what you must write? You must write quarreled. QUARRELLED. Quarreled. The three brothers always quarreled with each other. Third one. The poet caught a little dash. So in the dash, what you must write? You must write rhyme or HYME, rhyme. Next, fourth one. The king was very fond of dash. So in the dash, you must write gold, GOLD, gold. Fifth one. The old man advised his dash to stay united. So in the dash, you must write sons, SONS, sons. Okay, children, so this is the fill in the blanks. Once again, I am going to read. The foolish farmer and his son had a donkey. Second one. The three brothers always quarreled with each other. Third one. The poet caught a little rhyme. Fourth one. The king was very fond of gold. Fifth one. The old man advised his sons to stay united. Okay, children. So these are the fill in the blanks. Now next main, complete EE or EA in the blanks. So we will give dash. So there you must write EE or EA. 2 dashes will give in the exam. So you must write in the 2 dash EE or EA. First one, S dash dash T. So in the dash you must write EA, SEAT, seat. Second one, CH dash dash SC, cheese, CHEESC, cheese. Okay, children, CHEESC, cheese. Next, third one, T or dash dash. So in the dash you must write EE, tree, TREE, tree. Next, fourth one, F dash dash T. So in the dash you must write FEET, feet. Next, once again I am going to read that one. First one, SEAT, seat. Second one, CHEESC, cheese. Third one, TREE, tree. Fourth one, FEET, feet. Now last main, 10th main, answer the following. First one, what did the poet catch? Answer, the poet caught a little rhyme. TH, the POET, poet. CAUGHT, caught. LITTLE, little. RHYME, rhyme. The poet caught a little rhyme. Now second one, what was the name of the king? Answer, the name of the king was Midas. TH, the NAME, name. OF of TH, the KING, king. WAS was MIDAS, Midas. The name of the king was Midas. Third one, who does the poet love? Answer, the poet loves the cow. TH, the POET, poet. LOVES, loves. TH, the COW, cow. Okay, children. So these are the question answers. Once again I am going to read. First one, what did the poet catch? Answer, the poet caught a little rhyme. Second one, what was the name of the king? Answer, the name of the king was Midas. Third one, who does the poet love? Answer, the poet loves the cow. Okay, children. Any doubt, children? I think you could have understood this revision. So, practice this revision in the rough note. Okay, children. 3 or 4 times you must practice in the rough note. Okay, children. Thank you, children.